Selenium course in Chennai, Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Overview and advantages of Selenium Automation Testing. Introduction to Selenium Automation Testing. Selenium is an open source and an easy-to-learn testing framework that enables users to validate web applications across operating systems and browsers using Python, C#, and Java. Key components include Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Remote Control, and Selenium Grid. Selenium IDE Core Framework. The Selenium IDE is accessible as a Firefox and Chrome plugin in the foundational framework of testing. Its user-friendly interface simplifies script creation and execution for web application testing. Selenium Remote Control. Enhanced compatibility. Selenium Remote Control expands browser and OS support, accommodating languages like Ruby, PHP, Python, and Java. It offers extensive flexibility for comprehensive application testing across various environments. Selenium WebDriver. Simplified interaction. Selenium WebDriver eliminates the need for a separate RC server and JavaScript, streamlining browser interactions. This component enhances efficiency by directly interacting with browsers for seamless automated testing. Advantages of Selenium Automation Testing. Selenium offers cost-effectiveness, extensive language support, cross-browser compatibility, adaptability to multiple operating systems, and the ability to conduct tests on various devices. Selenium supports various browsers, such as Firefox, Internet Explorer, Chrome, and Safari, which saves developers time by eliminating the need to rewrite code for each browser. Selenium further extends its benefits by supporting different operating systems, like Windows, Unix, etc.